How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Stu is back. I'm back. Yeah, me. Well, I have this, as you can see, Mazda 2021 CX30. CX30. Yiddy. Look at that. How you like it? Uh-oh. Yeah. So welcome back to another episode with me, Stu. Yeah, me, your host. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this vehicle, and after that I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life also. Alright, before I get into that, please, I have to mention it. Thank you to all my followers, my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, and the new coming subscribers. I appreciate it. Thank you for your love. Where would I be, without you? I appreciate it. Hug, kisses if you're a girl, of course. If not, just handshake. 6 feet. 6 feet. Yeah, me. So yeah, please. Thank you. Like I said, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button, the share button. Maybe someone, your friend has a Mazda 2021 CX30. Share this video, know what I'm saying? He's gonna appreciate it. And on top of that, if you have any comments, any ideas, any suggestions, anything you need to say about this vehicle, this project, this oil change, put in the comment box for me, know what I'm saying? Also, I have to mention that when I premiere this video, when I upload it, and you're gonna watch it as a premiere, you can chat with me. You can chat with me while you watch the premiere, know what I'm saying? Go to super chats and super stickers, have fun with that, and know what I'm saying? Enjoy. Do that. So you're gonna watch the video, right? Brand new video, you're gonna watch it. If you have any questions, chat with me, use the stickers and all that, know what I'm saying? So I can engage my people, know what I'm saying? Also, don't forget to wear your glasses, wear gloves. The engine is hot, the oil is gonna be hot, know what I'm saying? So be careful. Did I say wear your goggles, your glasses, safety goggles, safety glasses, know what I'm saying? Do that. And I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this oil change in this 2021 Mazda CX30. Alright, Stu, Buru. Hey guys, welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Me. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2021 Mazda CX30. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy it. And now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Before I get into that, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the share button, the feedback, put in the comment box. You know the deal. You know what's up. I just want to keep it 100 with you, and I appreciate all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my newcomer subscribers. I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Hey! By the way, I put 5.5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20 in this 2.5 liter engine. Alright. Now, let's do the reset that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it. So you're gonna see that menu. This is the control. We're gonna go to information with this. Sorry. This is up, down, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we go to information, then you click it, okay? That's to go in, and you're gonna see that. Then go to vehicle status monitor, vehicle service interval approaching. You have I have like a 600 miles left before the net service, but we just did it, and we're gonna reset the oil life. You know what I'm saying? We go over there, scroll down, reset oil change distance, click in there. Do you want to reset the remaining distance until the next oil change? Scroll up, reset, hit yes. The remaining distance until the next oil change has been reset. And this is how you reset the oil life, the maintenance service, in this 2021 Mazda CX30. CX30, you know what I'm saying? When I launched this new video, this one right here, this one that I'm making right now, when I launch it as a premiere, you can chat with me while you watch it. Know what I'm saying? You can chat with me, send me stickers. For that, you have to go to super chats and super stickers right there in the video, YouTube. You'll see a window right by the video. You see that we can chat, and I'm saying, kind of looking like a messenger, WhatsApp, whatever you want to call it. And I'm saying it's right there. Alright, we can chat. Don't forget that. Alright, let's do that. Have fun. Let's have fun with that. And I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Holla at your boy. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Catch you in the next one. Estuvo, boom, zzz, meow. Thank you for watching. Holla.